back to our channel.
And for today, we are going to be doing the
Slime Challenge.
Before we get started, make sure to go subscribe, like, and go to our Instagram to comment, which is Pbskidstube. And let's get right into it. We're going to be competing to see who has the better slime. And what we're going to be using to do that is a metallic slime kit, a mixing utensil, and glitter. And we're going to be using the things in here also to decorate it. Get everything out.
It hurts. Can you open this?
Yeah, wait.
We could open this.
Okay, it looks like, so pretty.
Guys, it looks like gooey poo.
So I'm going to try to get as much as I can.
I could cut this.
So if I can't get as much as I can out, I'm going to put this one in there as well.
Ew, it sounds like poop, guys. But it looks like unicorn thing.
A unicorn.
I'm trying to get some more out.
Okay.
Do we have
as much as I can out of the bottle.
Oh, this is high. This is gonna make purple, so
now
we're gonna see how it goes.
So pretty.
Should I get something pretty?
Yeah. So this looks like a mermaid blue color.
Guys, we have
So
made
sad.
slime, but we haven't made it like in a YouTube channel. We made slime like a lot of times. We bought it at
Walmart.
Yeah, Walmart and some other places. You want my stuff?
Hey guys, we had to cut it open because there was still a lot in the bottle and we couldn't get it out.
Yeah.
So we cut it open and it got pretty messy. So after we're finished cleaning the bottles out, we're going to add the glitter and the foam beads.
Ew, can I like do something about this?
So I'm trying my best to get the sides out.
So guys, it made a silver color. We're just gonna keep mixing it.
We thought it would become purple because pink and blue makes
It's
purple,
purple.
but since it's metallic, it made silver, but it's still really pretty.
So after we mix, we're gonna add this.
Now we're going to add the glitter first. So let's start adding the glitter since we got it all mixed up. Oh wow,
Ooh, thank you.
that escalated fast. So we have the glitters open, mine's not opening, so we're just going to have of this now.
Okay, she adds all of it.
Look how
It's
pretty it is. Okay, so
now
that's.
let me add.
So I already got it like out of the bowl and it's not as sticky as it was.
It's not sticky enough that I want it to be.
So it's like
But
super
I want
pretty.
it super sticky. It looks like one of the slimes that I made, but it was so ugly and less bad.
So pretty.
Not too
Guys,
bad.
it's so fun.
Honestly, mine is really good.
So there's still
That's
lots on the
fun.
wall.
Oh.
Slime. I got my hands
There's
clean.
still some in there. Ew. Photographer, what are you doing?
I got my hands clean, Mom.
Her name is not Mom. Her name is Photographer.
The top of the mom.
No,
It's like
We're gonna
so
name
pretty.
her
Look
Trisha.
at that stretch.
we're gonna name her Trisha.
Wow, that's our mom, and you have to name something. So
Yeah, a lot of people that do their videos have a photographer. Hey. Nothing? I didn't do nothing.
I'm just gonna
this one on this one.
like continue
And I'm gonna
just
put
taking
some-
everything
Mine
and
just,
mixing.
yeah, get that thing.
And when
Get
I'm done, I'll
the,
show you guys the finished product.
oh,
Oh,
it's bringing it up. Guys, I'm gonna put my bowl over there. I don't really need it. Right
So I
now.
got
Yeah,
my
I'm
that
gonna
came
need
out.
mine too,
So now I think I'm ready to start
Guys,
putting these in there.
yeah, I wanna put like one.
I want to put the flowers.
Okay, don't put all of it though. I'm gonna put these
So
stuff.
I'm just gonna cut it.
Look, I just got that open.
Don't add all of it because I want some too.
So I got one of your balls.
But I'm not using it yet, so I'm just gonna put it right there.
So
Ooh.
I'm
Yeah, that
just
should be
like
enough.
a lot of slime.
Guys, I don't know what okay, that's enough. I love guys.
go to our Instagram to comment who won. What do you think?
And guys, we're gonna make a TikTok
Stretch
right
contest.
now.
I'm gonna reach.
You wanna go?
Did you see that? That was like so weird. I ended up spoiling my slime. It doesn't have the best texture. And so I added some of the purple one, and that only made it worse.
Okay,
But it got
that's
bigger, and I hate the stretch. I don't really like the stretch, but it's good. So this is the end of the video. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications to know when we post the video. That was good, right? Right?
Yeah.
So follow us on Instagram and TikTok at Pbskidstube. And I hope you guys liked today's video. Bye! Little blind squad!
Get that gold thing. Get that gold thing.
Guys, she's so annoying.